Hello and welcome to week 1 of Writing 122. This is Beth, your instructor. I hope by now you've had a chance to look over some of this introductory material, at least having read Getting Started, looking at your syllabus, and looking at the due dates for the term to get an idea of what you're in for. The only text for this course is Dave Eggers' The Circle. And now we're at week 1. You see I'm on the middle page here for the class. And you see what we're going to do this week is play around with Moodle and start getting to know each other. I want to start knowing who's in the class, and then we'll start reading the book. So what we've got is the book here, The Circle, by Dave Eggers. It's science fiction, I suppose. I'm going to ask you what you think about it. A movie was made of it. Tom Hanks, Emma Watson. I love them. I'm not sure what I think about the movie. I put the trailer for it here. You definitely do not have to watch it. I'm not sure I'd even recommend it. But I put it here in case you want to see. And I've put in some things while we're reading The Circle. I hope that throughout this term I will always tell you why we're doing everything. If I don't, please ask. I don't want to waste your time, that's for sure. In terms of activities, I think I've already said in the introductory material, all due dates will be either Wednesday, Friday, or Sunday, or all three. Nothing will be due any other day of the week. Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Your class introductions forums, when you get to know who else is in this class, will be due on Wednesday and Friday of this week. And your first writing assignment will be due on Sunday. That will be a personal narrative. I want to get to know you. I want to see how you write, too, a little bit. I will give you a grade on it, but not a very important grade. It's not worth that many points. And it's mainly to give you an idea of what I'm looking for. But please don't stress out about it. I mainly want to get to know you. Any questions? Let me know. I'm around.